The way to plant a willow fence is to harvest cuttings in the dormant season and then plant them directly in the ground where you want your fence to be, generally in January or February. This will tell us how far apart we're making our holes for planting. So here's my guide. Here's my other guide. Turn it so it's 45 degrees. There's different patterns that you can use, but you want to weave the fence immediately when you plant it. So if you're doing a diamond pattern, you're gonna do the in, out, and tie those crossings immediately after you put the stakes in the ground. Each year it will need maintenance, it will need pruning and shaping. If you really want a tight fence, take all the new growth and weave it into the existing fence line. That will eventually create a wall of trunk with branches coming out of the top. Another way is to prune off anything that's not part of your original diamond pattern or whatever pattern you planted, and that will make your diamond pattern get fatter and fatter and graft together where it touches itself. And after the second year of growth, that's when you want to start pruning. In the winter in particular, when the plant is dormant, most of the energy is stored underground in the roots. So we could cut this willow all the way back to the ground, and in the spring it would regrow from the roots. This is where we harvested last year, and you can see the cut from this pretty large diameter stem that I cut off here.